Hey, so if you're stuck on a login error in Trello, yeah, you're definitely not alone. Maybe it's not accepting your password, or it just keeps looping back to the sign in page. In this video, I'll walk you through simple fixes to get you logged in fast. First, make sure you're entering the correct email and password. Sounds obvious, I know, but even small typos or saved autofill mistakes can cause login errors. If your password isn't working, go ahead and reset it. Click on Forgot Password and follow the steps to create a new one. Now, this is important. Make sure you're using the same login method you signed up with. If you originally used Google or Apple, logging in with email and password might not work. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes, yeah, stored data can interfere with the login process and cause errors. If that didn't work, try disabling browser extensions or open Trello in incognito mode. Some extensions, like ad blockers, can break the login flow. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or interrupted connection can stop the login process midway. Still stuck? Try logging in from a different browser or device. This helps you figure out if the issue is device specific. And finally, check if Trello's servers are down. If there's an outage, you'll just need to wait until it's fixed. So, yeah, that's how you fix Trello login problems step by step. Usually, one of these methods does the trick. If this helped, drop a like or subscribe for more quick tech fixes.